Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I want to show you a new project called busdverse. Okay, so basically what it is a platform where you can stake BUSD. Okay, first of all, very important fact, the contract has been audited by Solid Proof. Okay, audit results, audit passed. Okay, I mean it's about 27 pages long. If you want to have a look at it, feel free to do it, but the most important parts are here. As you can see, no critical issues, no high issues, no medium issues. Okay, so guys, let me show you how it works. First of all, yeah, as of right now, it started, I mean, it launched just a couple of days ago. And as of right now, there are already 60,145.8 BUSD invested. And it has 97 active users. And the referral rewards as of right now are 5,845 BUSD. Okay, so guys, how does it work? You connect your wallet. Okay, choose the way you want to connect the wallet to website. You can have, for example, MetaMask, SafePol, and so on. So you connect your wallet, then you choose the pool. I will show you the pool in the different pools in 1 minute, and then you can withdraw your earnings. So let's see how the pools look like. We have pool number one, okay? There you can stake for 14 days, and after 14 days, you will get 190% total return. That means 8.5% daily, okay? So guys, second pool, 7.5% daily rewards. You can stake there for 28 days, and total return will be 657.6%, okay? Pool number 3, 12.5% daily rewards, and you can stake there for 14 days for a total return of 175%. Okay, guys. Pool number 4, daily is random here. Okay. Pool number 5, it's auto, and pool number 6, this. Okay. To be honest, I haven't found a really explanation what this random should mean. I guess it can just fluctuate or whatsoever. So I would say those 3 pools are the most interesting ones because you already know exactly how much you will get in return daily, okay? And also at the end, guys, okay? So if you invested in this, you can see here your wallet, total staked, your rewards, and all of this stuff you can see here. Referral levels, there are 3 different levels. Level 1, 5%, level 2, 3%, level 3, 1%, guys, okay? So it's actually pretty easy to understand. Connect your wallet, choose your pool, and get the rewards, guys, okay? So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.